do you think? It's green beans. They're kind of hard to pick up by yourself, huh? Do you still have a piece in there? She's like, I want what you have for lunch. Did you swallow it? Let me see. Looks like it's gone. Want another piece? Another piece? Good girl. Good job. Yummy. Yummy green beans. There's cat hair everywhere. Can you get it? Oh, you got a piece. Good girl. Good girl. You gonna throw it on the floor? Here. Get the kitty hair out of there. Ugh. There's kitty hair everywhere. Okay, let's try another little piece. You still have a piece in there, don't you? Good job, honey. Here. More? More?